Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review for the Bare Anatomy customized skincare, and this video is going to be very interesting, and here I will talk everything about the customized skincare, what it is, the price range that it is available on the Bare Anatomy website, what you can buy, what you cannot buy, the whole complete review, how it affected my skin, whether it was good or bad, whether you should invest in a customized skincare or not. So everything about the Bare Anatomy customized skincare I will be talking about in this video. So if you are thinking about purchasing the customized skincare, whether it is Bare Anatomy or any other customized skincare brand in India, then this video is going to be your guide, okay? Because I will be telling you all the pros and cons of using the customized skincare for myself. So just keep on watching and let's go ahead with the review. So guys, before starting the actual review, let me tell you guys, for all those who do not know what exactly is a customized skincare, let me give a brief about the customized skincare. So customized skincare is basically when the brand asks specific questions related to your skin type and other factors, and then they will produce the specific skincare formula for you, okay? So there is no one fit all formula, there is no a single mass production of a formula. They will produce a specific formula using specific ingredients that will suit your skin type as per the answers that you have given for their customized skincare questionnaire. So this has gained popularity in India for the recent 3 to 4 years, I would say, and Bare Anatomy I think has been there for the same 3-4 years. I guess I will list the complete website over here so that you can go ahead and see what they are dealing with, how they are working, and what exactly they are producing for customers. The benefit for customer of using a customized skincare is that they can choose the ingredients that they want based on their skin type, their skin concerns. They can also target the specific concerns. For example, if you have oily skin and if you want to boost your radiance or remove acne marks, you can go ahead and purchase customized skincare for that target concern, okay? So that is how a customized skincare works. In these cases, basically what you do is you answer a few questions before ordering your products, something like your skin type, your skin need, your hydration level, your sleep cycle, etc., and your skin concerns, and the ingredients that you love or the ingredients that you are allergic to. So all these questions you answer before ordering the product on their website. Similar to other skincare brands, the Bare Anatomy process is pretty simple. They ask around 10 to 14 questions, which I will link a screenshot of over here. So they will ask these questions, and once you answer all these questions, they will curate a formula for you which will work as per your skin concern. These questions are pretty simple and pretty basic, I would say. Everybody nowadays knows their skin type, their ingredients that they are allergic with. So yeah, that is a pretty simple process. It's no brainer actually, and you can go ahead and do the process in 4 to 5 minutes, I would say. So let's now talk about the price point. So they offer 3 products in their customized skincare, a whole batch, which has a cleanser, a day cream, and a night cream as well. They also have a subscription kind of a system, wherein if you subscribe for 6 months, they will deliver all these 3 products every month for 6 months, and then the prices are as such, okay? And they have a subscription of 3 months as well as a 1 month. So I would definitely recommend, if you're trying it for the first time, I would never ask you to go for a 6-month subscription. Although they tell on their website that even if you purchase a 6-month subscription, you can always change the formula or you can come back and answer the question, but I will talk about it later. Just remember that I would definitely recommend a 1 month formula, just because you want to try their products first before, you know, regularly investing a money. Like 6 months is a huge investment for skincare. So for one time purchase, they are offering a price of rupees 2000 approximate. It's 1995, but they always have an offer of 20%, 30% or something going on, so always buy it during those offers. Okay, for 3 month subscription is 1395, and for a 6 month subscription for 1 month it comes to around 1095, which is around, you know, somewhere around 7000 for all the 6 months. I would say that is pretty affordable if you talk about, you know, the products that you are getting, because you are getting a cleanser, you are getting a day cream and a night cream as well. So definitely if you talk about like for 3 products in 1000, it's pretty cheap, but then it's a 6 month subscription, so you will have to invest the money, like whole money, like 6 months into this subscription. Okay, but then again the 1 month subscription is around 1995, which is also pretty okay if you talk about it, because even a cleanser nowadays comes to about 400 or 500 or something like that. So, you know, you can adjust based on your necessity and your budget what subscription plan works for you. Let me also tell you about the quantity. So the quantity that you will get is 50 ml of a cleanser, 30 ml of day cream and 45 gram of night cream. Now, do I need to mention that this is cruelty free and derma certified? Because nowadays almost every skincare is very conscious about environment. So yeah, definitely they are cruelty free and they are derma certified as well. Now let's go ahead with the actual review. So first of all, we will be reviewing the packaging of the product. So it comes into this you know, carton box, something like this. So the packaging is pretty luxurious if you ask me, because once you open this cardboard, you will get 3 products and they come in these kind of like the facial cleanser, and the day cream comes in these, you know, kind of a pump jar that has this kind of pump applicator, and then the night cream comes in this luxurious kind of a, you know, jar. Packaging, I was pretty impressed with the packaging because it feels very nice and luxurious, and it's effortless, you know, to use as well. Now there is enough beating around the bush. Now let's go to the juice of this video, whether it works or not. So before I tell you the review, I just want to mention that this is the second time I'm purchasing the Bare Anatomy skincare for myself, and this video is not at all sponsored, or this is not like, this was not sent to me on PR. I bought it with my own money. The reason why I'm telling you this is because nowadays you know, people are very skeptical about what influencers say, due to, you know, mass campaigns and paid promotions that are going on for the products that are being launched. So definitely even I would, you know, not trust every influencer on YouTube. So definitely I would, you know, research by my own before, you know, purchasing anything. So I would definitely recommend you to do so as well. Do not buy it just because I'm saying it, because it can work for my skin but it might not work for your skin. So definitely do your research and then buy it. Now that that's being said, I just want to let you know that this customized skincare actually works for me. And you know, the reason why I'm telling you this is because I have seen visible changes in my skin during the time I used it, and the fact that I'm using it for the second time, I purchased it with my own money for the second time, tells you guys also that yes, this is actually good. And the best thing about you know, the skincare, this skincare, I would say is the cleanser. I definitely would recommend the cleanser a lot if you have the same skin concerns as me. I have dry skin, my skin type actually is very dry, and you know, I have a dull skin. Sometimes it would feel very itchy, and sometimes it would feel very dry. Sometimes it will also feel oily when I'm taking care of it. So yeah, it's actually dry, but sometimes it will feel oily in some place. Apart from that, my skin, I have seen signs of aging on my skin. For example, fine lines and wrinkles over here, my smile lines, etc., the sagging of my skin. So definitely these are the concerns which I wanted to rectify from this skincare, and it definitely helped me to achieve. So the cleanser and the day cream works for me, but the night cream doesn't work for me. I don't feel like it did anything great for my skin. Apart from that, it's a lot oily, than I would want in my nighttime skincare routine to be. But that's completely, I guess, my mistake, because I definitely said that I would want hydration, maximum hydration, in my routine. So definitely I think they sent out the best hydration possible in my formula. But definitely the products are above average for the price point, and I would definitely recommend to try and use their products if you have not tried them. Now here is something interesting, okay? The first time I used it, they pretty much bang on the formula. They were bang on the process, they were bang on the formula and everything. And the second time that I ordered it, I just wanted something else from my skincare. Like, during the first time I wanted two things, that is the boost radiance and hydration. Now the second time around I tried and change my skincare question answers, so that I would have something of a formula which can provide me radiance as well as reduce my fine lines and wrinkles. But when I received my skincare, they also give a pamphlet of what ingredients they are filling in your formula, and the result was like the ingredients were the same as the first ingredient. So I was a little like, I don't know, is it right? I mean, when I want my skincare to affect differently, target different skin concerns, then how can the ingredients be the same? So that is one concern that I had, that I faced. So even I'm not sure whether they sent out the same kind of ingredients for all skin concerns or not. Then what is the whole point of customized skincare? So I'm still trying out that, because I'm on my third month, because I'm already consumed all the products. So I'm on my third month for their skincare. I will try to sign up using a different email, so that I can get a whole fresh batch of questions and answers, so that they do not have that record. That is what I'm going to do, and that is the reason why I told you guys that you should also go for 1 month formula rather than 6 month purchase, because they do say that you guys can update anytime the questions and answers, their skin concerns, you can always update the formula. But I tried to do so and it didn't happen. So definitely I would recommend that you guys go and log in for the first time and use only for 1 month, and then if you think that your skin concerns will change the next month, for example, whatever you were trying to achieve for the first month, you already achieved from their formula, and now you want to target other specific concerns, because you can target only 2 specific concerns in one batch, okay? So if you want to do so, you can go ahead and buy another subscription for 1 month, and then treat other skincare concerns. So that is my recommendation for you guys. One more thing I would like to point out, that if you do not have any clue about your skin type or your hydration level or how your skin would react to certain ingredients, then probably I would say that do not buy this customized skincare, because if a skincare ingredient that they have is allergic for your skin, then it could result in a very drastic situation. Then I want you guys to know that you should know your skin very well before purchasing these kind of customized skincare, because you never know what ingredients they are gonna recommend in your skincare. If you are using something like Pond's cream for many years, your skin is already adaptable to that skincare, your skin is already known the ingredients, so definitely keep on using that skincare if it works for you. And And if you're the person for whom nothing works in the market as of now, and you are still dealing with some of the skin problems, and you have tried everything, you know what ingredient would suit you, you know what ingredient would affect you, you know your skin type, and you are very certain about the skin concern you want to treat, then I would definitely recommend this skincare, customized skincare to you. You have to keep in mind that the only input for them to produce your formula is your answers. Based on your answers, they are recommending the product. So if you give the wrong answers, then definitely it would result in a drastic situation which you do not want. Your money will be gone, you could left with bad skin. So definitely I would not recommend that. So definitely when you are giving the answers, when you are taking their survey, make sure that you have enough knowledge, enough time, and then only you are giving the survey and buying the product. So guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful to some of you. And if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.